Welcome on back to our channel, The Stickers. Today we're doing a healthy recipe. It is salmon tabbouleh. It's going to be wheat-free, meat-free, pescatarian-friendly, and super easy to make. You're just going to have to cook one thing in the oven. Don't even use stovetop. Super basic. If I can make it, you can too. Stick around. Before we get started today, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up to like it, as it really helps out our channel, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet by clicking that subscribe button and clicking the bell for notifications all. Alright, the recipe today we're making is salmon tabbouleh, and we are making a wheat-free, grain-free version. It's going to be pescatarian friendly because we are including salmon in this recipe, but if you want to make it vegetarian friendly, just cut out the salmon. So first thing we need to do is take this salmon and get it into the oven. I put the broil setting on. I'm just going to take the salmon and I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of some grapeseed oil. Avocado oil or sunflower oil also works great. And just a tiny little bit, just sprinkling it on, maybe a teaspoon or two at most. And I'm using 2 salmon today because I've got family coming over. We're hosting a outside barbecue. So I've got about 6 people, so I'm going to double this by using 2 salmon. However, it's just a couple of you guys, then just put 1 in. So let's get this baby in the oven. We put that salmon on the broil setting, which is 550 degrees, and I put it in for 8 minutes. So it's a quick recipe to make. Okay, we can put away that grapeseed oil. We're not going to use it anymore today. All we're going to need is a red onion, a red pepper, a small red onion, 1 medium-sized lemon, salt and pepper, some olive oil. We can use olive oil now because we're not cooking anything else. Olive oil does have that lower boiling point, so you don't want to use it in things you are cooking, but in salad dressings or mixing for non-cooking ingredients, olive oil is super healthy and great for you. And of course, parsley. We actually have 2 types of parsley today. I have what they called curly parsley, and I have what they call Italian parsley at the store. They both look fun, some different textures, so just thought, why not try them both out today and see, have a little mixture. But whatever your store has works. All right, let's get to chopping. So all we're gonna do is chop these ingredients, squeeze lemon, and put it in a big mixing bowl. So super easy. Clear our cutting board area and get chopping. Red pepper, we do want to make sure we get rid of all of these little seeds here. Don't want those in our recipe, so just make sure to cut those out. Grab our garbage can, throw the waste in. Traditional tabbouleh recipe actually uses tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. However, the red peppers give it a little bit more crunch. So we're switching to red peppers for today's recipe. Typical tabbouleh also usually has bulgur wheat in it, which if you're gluten-free, you obviously can't have that. The other dish we're making today, though, to go along with this is having a grain in it, so just don't want to have 2 dishes with a grain. So today we are leaving it out. And I don't feel this dish needs it either. We're going to cut into our red onion. This is a much smaller one than typical. It says you need about 1/3 of a large oven. So I'm going to use probably about 3/4 of a small onion. This one's really small. If I was smart, I would have taken the outer layer off the onion before I started cutting. Looks like our oven just went off when our salmon's done. Get that out of there. Okay, perfect. You can see it's nice and cooked through. So we're gonna put this to the side for now. So let's cool down a little bit, and then we'll chop it all up to put into our tabbouleh. Oh, I can feel my eyes starting to water from this onion. Whew. Good thing I didn't wear makeup today. That is looking nice and chopped. Let's get it into our bowl. See our nice, flexible cutting boards here. Used in past videos, I just can't say enough good stuff about them. They're so easy. Get all your ingredients right into the bowl. Nice, easy cleanup. All right, let's put that to the side. Let's get going on our parsley. I'm gonna get rid of all the stems. If you make salad dressing, these actually are good for salad dressing. And you really just need one bundle of this. But again, I'm kind of making this a little bigger today just because we have so many guests coming over from our family. Okay, I like the different textures of these. I'll show you up close here. Okay, this is that Italian parsley. It's really big, leafy. This is the curly kind. It's nice and tiny. So it'll be kind of a fun salad to use them both. I'm just getting rid of most of the big stems, especially this Italian one. Stems are pretty big, so I'm just gonna go through and kind of break them off. Okay, that seems pretty good. I've got rid of most of the big stems. I really don't mind if I have some of the stems in our tabbouleh. I just want to get rid of like most of the really big ones. So you can see we've gotten rid of quite a bit, all this. I'm gonna take what's left and chop it up real fine. This doesn't need to be pretty. My knife skills are definitely not the best. We just want it chopped up. Okay, that seems pretty good. Let's get all that parsley into our bowl. Okay, we have just one last thing we need to cut, which is our lemon. We want to be able to squeeze one lemon into our parsley. Now, if you have a juicer like this, you can use it. If you don't, you can always obviously squeeze by hand. Make sure we get all that amazing juice out of this lemon. Let's clean up our area a little bit. I got parsley all over the place. But that's why I brought my garbage can right next to me. Perfect. Okay, we want about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're really just doing olive oil, salt and pepper to taste right now. It's all gonna be personal preference. So definitely try out your salad, make sure you like it. Get our utensils and mix this guy all up. All right, now we need to add our salmon in. Our pan has had time to cool down. Cut this baby up. We just want to mix it right in with our tabbouleh salad. Again, if you have any vegetarians, don't add salmon, obviously. You also could mix up your fishes. You could try shrimp, whatever combo you want. Maybe some mahi-mahi might be good. But have fun with it, play with it. I'm annihilating the salmon right now. But it looks to be cooked perfectly. It's a great thing about boiling. 8 minutes in a broiler, one piece of salmon every time, perfect. Oh, our taste tester's coming right in time. Jay, come on over to taste test this. Get our salmon into the bowl. Don't want to miss out on any of this good salmon. Let's get it all in here.
It's really good.
right, let's get this all mixed in. And then Jay can tell us if we need any more salt, pepper, olive oil. You tell us if it tastes good. All right, you want to try? Taste tester?
There we go. Let's make sure I get all the ingredients on there. Good job.
2 thumbs up?
That's really good.
Any more salt, pepper to taste?
No.
Okay, so we didn't measure it. It's just literally based on your personal preference. I do a few squeezes, twists of each. So that's it. Here you go. Salmon tabbouleh salad. It's colorful, it's pretty, it's pescatarian, super healthy. The only thing on here is just a little bit of olive oil and some grapeseed oil on the salmon. So it's super healthy, great summer dish, really light, really fluffy, and it's beautiful to share. It looks really impressive. As you can tell, what did it take us? We're about 20 minutes on the timer, 20 minutes, and I did it while talking, pretty easy. So I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below, let us know what you think of this recipe, and if there's any recipes you would like to see, any certain ingredients you would like to see us make. So stay tuned for more healthy recipes and healthy living from the Steakters. Don't forget to like this video, make sure you subscribe so you get notified whenever we make more videos, as well as share it with a friend. Comment below, and thank you so much for joining us. We'll link some more videos for other healthy recipes so you can check out after this one. Thanks so much for joining us. Bye guys.